Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you a very unique voice. Her name is called Seori, Seori, and I checked out her other song, but this is sort of my first time checking out this music video called Hairdryer. Let's check it out. Very spacey.
Noise vibrates through the window. Vibrant lights illuminate the room.
Oh, her voice.
As the sun passes the horizon behind the sky, dry petal of a flower drops helplessly. I loved wild violets, the flower. Loved the beauty of its solitude. But the world only loves what is perceived and fails to believe what is not valued, neglecting the ripped,
Oh, her voice is amazing.
tried, and the fallen.
It's like watching a movie.
I don't have time 그럴 때 나만 보면 나른한 일요일 아침 같아 어둑해지는 밤에도
Oh my goodness.
내 목소린 마치 초여름 햇살 같아 Star 별들로 가득한 밤 혼자인 게 두려워서 난 계속 너를 찾아 헤매 Cause when you call my name I remember you used to dry my hair that rainy day Oh my lover when you call my name once again Oh, we'll be alright. You touch my mind. 바람은 좀 더 없는데
This voice is not realistic. Oh.
괜히 간지러워 나 한숨 가득한 오늘도 너를 떠올릴 땐 웃음꽃이 피어나 고요한정적인 난 두려워 더 이상 달릴 수 없어 나 숨을 곳을 찾을 때에 Cause when you call my name
Oh, so
I remember you used to dry my hair that rainy day Oh my lover when you call my name once again Oh we'll be alright You touch my I remember that
아, 목소리 너무 좋지 않아요?
그대 눈빛은 어떤 표현 어떤 말도 담지 못할 거야 Blindsided by you I just fallen asleep Oh we'll be alright tonight Was it a dream? I reached out to the hole. It felt like there was a destination I had to go to. How far will it lie? We all live in the cold, listen to your prayer. We all live in the world.
Okay, if you are interested in this artist, the Running Through the Night official music video is these two music videos are like a series. So you watch Hairdryer first and then Running Through the Night. And she has a beautiful voice. Thank you for watching my video and please support Seori. She's amazing. She's amazing. 너무너무 좋은 아티스트를 알게 되어서 저는 기쁩니다. 그러면 다음 시간에 다시 돌아오도록 하겠습니다.